In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage Walmart seller customer service. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to do is log into seller.walmart.com, and you're simply going to go into this right hand corner. It's a little mail icon. You're going to click on this, and this is where you manage all of your customer service on Walmart. My recommendation is to respond within 24 hours, but Walmart only requires you to respond within 48 hours. That's how you get a pro seller badge, which I'm going to explain later in today's video. But my recommendation again is to respond to customers within 24 hours, 7 days a week. Now, you can answer the questions here. You can go here and then see what responses are needed. If anything's from customer care, spam, or flagged, pretty much you're going to just only need to respond to the ones that are responses needed, right? And then any statuses of unread, read, or failed. This way, if you have employees, they can make sure that they're monitoring this properly, or if they miss something and the response is still needed, they can filter it out, which is nice, especially if you're getting a lot of questions. Next, you can triple check things on here. So if they say, hey, I need to cancel my order, you can actually go to the orders tab, right click, open up the orders tab, and this is the order number. So what you're gonna do is go to all, type in the order number, and then boom, it shows you the order and where you can cancel it and all that fun stuff. So you can go there, which is pretty good, and triple check everything. Also, a big question I've been getting a lot is, how do I return my package? So if a customer is like, I can't return it, and they don't know what to do to return the package, you can just tell them that they have to bring it to Walmart, and Walmart has a return department, so they have to physically go in person to return the item. So if you get a lot of questions that are regarding returns, most of the time, unfortunately, Walmart sometimes makes the customer go in person to return the item. So that does reduce returns. It does piss off the customers, but that's kind of it. Now let's go to the performance, which I just talked about. So you want to make sure you go to performance and make sure that everything is good. You can see seller response right here, view details. Percentage of customer inquiries responded within 48 calendar hours of receipt. So again, this is where I got the 48 hours. You should be responding to customers within 48 hours. 24 hours is the best. That's what Amazon requires, but 48 hours is what Walmart requires. So you do have time. Any refunds, valid tracking, cancellations, on-time delivery, ratings, performance, carriers, and all of that fun stuff. So that's pretty much it for Walmart, and that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what you think about Walmart's 48-hour response policy. Is it too short? Is it too long? Or is it just right? You tell me in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help increasing your sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call in your free time. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us do it for you, save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.